Will Evans oedd yn casglu. Will Evans dal i fynd yn diwedd. Yn ei cholli ddi, a Nathan Wood ar ras. Nathan Wood yn gweld bod Ben Amŵr yn y canol. Y croes yn dod fewn, Ramsey ddim yn gallu reoli. A Lewis Harling oedd yn casglu. O'r croesiad yn peri problemau i golwr y Bala. A Pen-y-bont wedi llai na 10 munud a cymryd y blaen. Harling cael ei wthio oddi ar bêl. David Morgan yn gweud dim trosedd, ond nawr roi syth at y cerdyn coch i Cain Owen. Ond nath e lithro fewn fyna yn gofyn am y cerdyn coch mewn gwirionedd. Sean Smith mewn at Will Evans yn trio cyffwrdd i heibio. Venables yn gadael i at Kieran Smith. Oliver Shannon a cyffyrddiad gan Will Evans. Will Evans yn sgorio am yr ail gêm olynol yn tynnu nôl i'r Bala. 2 funud wedi mynd o'r ail hanner a mae'r Bala wedi union i'r sgôr. Spittle ar peniad. Holl ffordd mlaen at Correa. Venables nawr yn fflicio unwaith. Heibio i Yakubu. Will Evans yn casglu'r briwsion ac yn dyblu ei goliau fe heno. Sgorio'i ail gôl am y dydd. Uniongyrchol dath y gôl yma. Venables oedd yn neud y gwaith da, ond Will Evans sy'n cael y gôl. A nawr Correa yn gyrru'r bêl ymlaen. Will Evans sy'n cwrso. Sneb na yn y cwrt. Con nhw'n dod. Chris Venables! A trydydd y Bala. Wel, mae'r Bala yn gyffyrddus nawr. Dyn o fantes. A ffordd maen nhw'n chwarae yn chwarter awr cynta'r ail hanner yma. Falle bod yna goliau eraill i ddod. Mae Bala unwaith eto yn chwilio am gôl ychwanegol. Will Evans cael ei dynnu lawr yn y cwrt. David Morgan ddim yn oedi o gwbl. A cyfle i ymestyn i mantes yn bellach i'r Bala. Chris Venables fydd yn cymryd i do y rwyd. Ac ar y Bala yn sgorio pedwerydd o'r prynhawn. Fewn i'r canol o Mal Davies yn mynd Yakubu sy'n cael at y bêl. Correa. Cyffyrddiad da. Spittle. O'r sodliad gan Venables. Correa nawr. Hawdd. Wel, am gyfle Raul Correa i sgorio i gôl gyntaf fe i'w glwb newydd. Yn diwedd gwastraffu cyfle euraidd. Sneith Will Evans a'r bas mlaen at Venables. Venables trio curo Yakubu. Y bil yn dod mas at Stevens. Smith i groesi. Ac Smith arall, Kieran Smith yn sgorio. Y ddau'n cyfuno am 5 gôl y Bala. A nawr mae fe'n edrych fel mae Bala ar y maes y fforddi.
The trip here is difficult, so we looked a bit jaded in the first half, and then we got better as the first half went on. Say after about 30 minutes we started to get a hold of the game, and then second half we totally dominated the game. But whether that's down to the 10 men of them or I don't know, but we had better attitude, better approach, better body language than what we did to start the game, which wasn't good enough.
For the first 35 minutes until the sending off, I thought we were the better team. Obviously we were 1-0 up, and we looked the only team that was going to go and get a second, in my opinion, which was great for us to show how far we've come. And then, like I say, the referee ruined the game with a terrible decision. He missed a foul, and then he gave a red card straight afterwards.
But yeah, we knew we weren't at the races first half. We were poor all over the pitch, and you could say that the sending off for them has helped us. But at half time we said it's just not good enough, and then we had a point to prove in the second half, and we did exactly that.
Was there any debate for you getting that penalty to get the hat-trick?
Well, I just said to Chris then, at the end when we were having a stretch off, I said, Chris, is there any chance I'm having that? And he said he didn't hear me, so I don't know, I'll let him off. But no, he's up and running now, onto 2 goals. And do you know what I mean, between whoever's up there on that front line, we want to score as many goals as we can. And do you know what I mean, he's the captain, he's on penalties, so I'll let him have it.